Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents this incredible fruit removes body odor 2 times better than toxic deodorants. Sweating is a normal body function which has beneficial uses such as regulating body heat as well as help treat infections. Sweat contains Dermicidin, a compound that prevents dangerous bacteria from entering the body. The bad smell from sweating is not caused by the sweat itself, but by the bacteria and fungi that have entered the body. Hence the use of antiperspirants clogs the sweat ducts with aluminum and toxins, contributing to the growth of bacteria and their entrance into the bloodstream. Avoiding the use of antiperspirants and commercial deodorants can prevent this and thus limit the exposure to the harmful toxins they contain, which can lead to multiple health issues. Yet this does not mean that you should stop taking proper hygiene, but just choose natural and safe alternatives. Lime is one of the best things you can use to fight body odor in a safe and natural way. It actually prevents the odor rather than just masking it. All you need to do is to cut a freshly ripened lime in half and rub a half into the armpit. Then leave the armpits to dry and then put on your shirt. That's all. Now you can be sure that your armpits will remain dry and smelling fresh for the next few hours. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.